Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. A shopkeeper sells one calculator for $40 at a gain of 20%. Find his profit. So we have selling price equal to $40 and profit percent. Profit percent equal to 20% given. Now we know how we can calculate profit percent. Profit percent equal to profit divided by cost price multiplied by 100. Now this profit can be written as selling price minus cost price divided by cost price. So in order to find profit, we'll first need cost price. And to find cost price, we can use this expression, profit percent. We can use this expression. So let cost price of the calculator equal to X dollars. So our expression becomes 20% equal to SP is $40 minus X upon X into 100. So that becomes X will go over to left side and multiply. So 20X equal to 40 minus X whole multiplied by 100. This 100 will go over here. Now let's take this 100 over to this side. So it will divide. So 20x divided by 100 equal to 40 minus x. Now 0 0 cancels, 2 ones are 2 fives are, so x by 5 equal to 40 minus x. So this x will go over to this side and add. So x plus x by 5 equal to 40. So that becomes, taking LCM, 6x by 5 equal to 40. So we get x equal to 40 into 5 divided by 6. So that is equal to 100 by 3. So we get cost price as 100 by $3. So instead of we have not simplified it because we are yet to calculate profit. So let's calculate profit first and then we'll simplify. So profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Selling price is given as $40, so that will be 40 minus 100 by 3, which is equal to 120 minus 100 by 3, which is equal to 20 by $3. So which is equal to $6.66. So this is the answer. Let's see what are the options. Now since options do not have the calculated answer, we can simply round this answer off to $7. So we'll write answer is option D.